Hey guys, pretty excited. Another Amazon package showed up today. And today, our surprise is we've got for the RS window vents. Check those bad boys out. Nice and shiny. One for each side. And it also came with some double sticky tape for the window. See how these bad boys are going to look. Let's bring it over here. So obviously I'm going to be taking off my my decal there. But looks like it just perfectly fits right inside there. I think that's going to look nice. Maybe I'll get new vinyl, put some vinyl here. Maybe a little smaller. But yeah, so the other side, got to take my vinyl off the other side too. And we'll see how these go on. All right, here we go. What you see here is not what you see. Kind of sad pulling this off, but I'll put a new vinyl on the window vent itself. Actually, kind of came off really nice. Maybe I'll put them on my toolbox. Right? Maybe I'll start over on this side. Don't know where the blue dot went. Oh, it stuck to me. That's funny. What do you guys think? Do on the replacement vinyl, just the @ sign or just the Instagram sign? The @ symbol obviously can be for multiple things. Instagram symbol is just for Instagram. What do you guys think? Yeah, I'm gonna put this on my toolbox. That one didn't come out very well. We'll just go with it. We're not gonna keep it. Well, you need to get off the residue. All right, we got the window all cleaned up here, and I remember which one. Right side. FKSR for right. Oh, on there just like that. All right, so I'm assuming we stick it right here on the, it did not come with directions. Go figure, huh? I'm assuming we put that stuff on itself. Let's just bring this table over here. That would be smarter. So I'm assuming we just put this stuff, maybe a little close. Why that is being so difficult to open. Oh, that's really sticky on the sides. Hopefully it's that sticky all around. So that one over there. We'll use the top of the box. All right, that was really sticky on the sides. Scissors. I'm assuming we just go here, go around here. And I think I will put some right here as well. I don't think, yeah, it shouldn't go there. Maybe put some here too, just to make sure we got good adhesion. Right there along the edge. I got a little long there. Just use this to slice that corner. There we go. All right. I'm going to do this longer part. It's hard to go around the curve to know how long to go. Maybe I'll start it, and then we'll cut it when I get to the end. Still got some extra, so I was going to put some right here and here. I'll start from this side. All right, looks like I got some left, I guess. Maybe in case it falls off, but that's where I applied it, on the outsides, and I'm in the middle. So now to take off the red pieces. Easier said than done. Insert a few moments later. Maybe. Just separate, dude. Hopefully it sticks this good to the car. Seriously. Ah, finally got it started. All right. One down. Hopefully the rest come off a little easier than that. Oh my gosh, dude, seriously. Should not be this hard. Got that one. All right, so I got to try not to touch the ones I've already peeled off, so stickum stays good. One down, 2 more to go. 1 more to go. Ah, finally got it. All right. All the prep tape off. Here we go, guys. Around all the outsides, hopefully get a good stick going. What do you guys think? Cool? All right. Now for the other side. Hopefully that sticks good. All right, guys, this side had a QR code, takes you to my YouTube channel. But I don't know if that's cool or not. Obviously, it's going to look pretty slick with the window. What do you call them? Louvers? Window louvers? Window vents? What is a louver? I'll have to look up what a louver is. But yeah, this is going to be coming off. A little residue left. That reminds me of what glue was that? Rubber glue. You guys ever use rubber glue in school? I remember back in school we used to use rubber glue. We'd call them boogers. We'd call them boogers, make boogers out of the rubber glue. Funny. Those are teeny tiny letters, man. Teeny tiny letters. Be nice if this came off all in one piece. Yeah, this was a pain in the butt to do it on vinyl because it painstakingly take out all those little squares where it came off nicely. If I could put that somewhere else.
Where can I stick this?
Now I sound like one of those Minecraft village people. All right, let's clean the window. I think I'm just going to use oh geez, that's not good. Just going to use the rest of this. May not have to open that one up. Start with the long one. I may actually have enough. I won't even have to open that one at all. Yeah, I didn't even have to open that other one. Nice. I may be able to use that on my door gasket on the passenger side. It's a little bit hanging down like it was on the driver's side. That might work perfect. All right, got it all on there. Now the fun part of taking this off again. Well, that one came off fairly easy. Come on. Just separate already. There we go. I do feel like if you push with your finger this way, like this, and force it down, does that separate a little easier? A little bit. 2 more to go. Try that again. Push it like that with our finger now. And pull back up on it. Does it separate? All right. You're ready. Maybe you guys over here a little bit. All right. Here we go. Get a good seal all the way across the outside. Those inside pieces too. Oh, maybe my tag right here. Tag right there. Would that be cool? Can't really fit there anymore. Maybe my tag right there. I'll have to measure that, and maybe I'll show you guys how I do that on the silhouette. But I don't know. Take a step back and look at it.
This on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it.
What do you think? If you guys wondered what it looked like inside the car, you can kind of see the vents there. I don't really use those windows to look out, so that's what it looks like inside the car.